First up is the Monster Heavy Duty Surge Protector, which seamlessly blends into high-end home entertainment centers and office setups. With fireproof technology, this protector offers high-capacity surge protection, keeping expensive electronics safe from power surges. The 6-feet cable and multiple outlets provide flexibility in device arrangement, while its sleek professional design makes it a top pick for those who appreciate aesthetics in their setups. Next, the Plugable 12-outlet power strip is designed with functionality and style in mind. With 12 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, it ensures that all your devices have a dedicated power source. The robust build quality makes it a durable choice, while the 25-feet power cord allows for convenient placement in large rooms. The smart USB charging adjusts the output for fast and efficient charging. Its clean and organized layout makes it a go-to solution for those who need an easy-to-use, stylish, and high-performing power strip. The Iron Forge Cable Surge Protector is built for heavy-duty use. It provides 8 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, making it perfect for both office and workshop environments. It features a durable housing that ensures longevity, while the extra-long power cord allows for flexible placement. The integrated surge protection shields devices from voltage fluctuations, ensuring long-term safety. The industrial-grade design combined with modern aesthetics makes this a standout choice for those who require power and durability in one package. The Tripp Lite Isobar features isolated filter banks that eliminate interference between devices, ensuring the cleanest power delivery possible. Known for its premium-grade surge protection, this surge protector is housed in an all-metal casing, making it one of the most durable options on the market. With 8 outlets, a 6-feet power cord, and a right-angle plug, it's perfect for tight spaces. It also boasts a $25,000 insurance guarantee, demonstrating confidence in its reliability. If you prioritize performance and longevity, this is an excellent choice. The FARARAKA Surge Protector brings modern convenience with 16 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and 2 USB-C ports. Designed for ultra-fast charging, it includes the PD20W USB-C port, which is perfect for quickly powering up the latest smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices. Its compact and stylish layout ensures it fits neatly into any space, with enhanced surge protection and an innovative cable management system. This surge protector is a fantastic choice for modern tech users who want speed, safety, and style. The SUPERDANNY Surge Protector is a powerhouse, offering an incredible 22 AC outlets and 6 USB ports, ensuring that all your devices can be connected at once. Its sleek and compact design allows it to fit neatly into any workspace or home entertainment setup. Built with fire-resistant materials, it provides exceptional durability and safety. It also features smart USB charging to automatically adjust the current for optimal charging speeds. Ideal for gamers, offices, or home theater enthusiasts, this surge protector combines style with unmatched functionality. The NTONPOWER Surge Protector Tower redefines convenience and style. With 16 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, this vertical power strip is a space-saving solution, perfect for desks or workstations. It features a 10-feet extension cord, making it easy to position in larger spaces. The fireproof shell and multi-layer surge protection ensure the safety of all connected devices. Its minimalist tower design fits seamlessly into any tech-savvy home or office, making it an excellent choice for those who appreciate both style and efficiency. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which power strip caught your eye. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more great Shop Smart HQ product reviews.